Chief Minister Nongthong Biren today reiterated that the ongoing crisis in Manipur is created by those who want to break Manipur and those who brought in illegal immigrants and also those who wanted to destroy the future of youths through drugs. Chief Minister Biren said this while attending 191st death anniversary observance of Maharaj Gambhir Singh at Kanchipur today. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren said Manipur was peaceful with its 34 recognized indigenous tribes coexisting in harmony. However, some external hands in collusion with some inside the state have manufactured the present conflict. Chief Minister further asserted that the hardship and struggle faced by the present generation is for the sake of those future generations. Speaking further about welfare program, Chief Minister Biren informed that his government has started pension scheme for artists who are above 60 years. Monthly pension of 2,500 to 4,000 rupees will be given under the scheme. Chief Minister also maintained that similar pension scheme will be initiated for sportspersons above 60 years who will be given monthly pension of 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. Earlier, Chief Minister led in paying floral tribute to statue of Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Maidingu Narasingh and Sana Herachandra. Rajya Sabha MP Sana Jawal Eshambo, along with ministers, MLAs and top officials of civil and police attended the observance.
Mama Mapa Buningsingba, Mapa Mapu Buningsingba, Ikai Kumnabu, Madugi Konguli, Macha Equigi Mato. Adu Katada, Equigi culture, Equigi tradition, Equigi Labak, Equigi Zati, Kanmangani. Manipur Nangasi Power, Pichi with the Foresi, art and culture, Aduga, sports, handloom and handicrafts. Adumaduki Makoibu, Yokat Pinabudi Kanakana Karitorigan, Heck Equi Sakar Sila Poga. Tabak packet Germany, Aduna art and culture, get the day artists in Singasiba, they quay, my B. Oigera, Arangam, Pamba, Pung Solongi, Karigi, Lady artist Punama, Masako Shahi, Humpu, Surugadi, Adu Sakar, Tabuingang, the Hudaba, Adumala de Quay, Tathagi, Lapalising and Niga Sanga, the Ginalising Madi Power, quite pencil scheme, Lautokre, Quakuji Powada, Mio, Samapan Mukta, quick pencil period. Sports Kijo, national, international, represent Ruba. Government service kumata hodraba laitraga di moigi da mukta di koina pencil scheme moigi su thame sahi humpu gi matung da moi balising mari da gina balising tor phawba phangna ba gi moi ayam ba uji sports department da gi koina pencil pi ba hore national standard gi mapan da gi mila asu sangba da chopoi da college da mi ba university da mi ba satra singa lairik pa ge na lairik yenge na lakpa kan moi phambam khotpham phachana matik chana leiba dugumba library Atuba Matamda, Andaki, Senbasa easy among the Sagat Pahoragani, Habasimasui Man, they Tajabatam again.
Speaking further in the program, Chief Minister Nongthong Biren said concretization of road in Greater Imphal will be taken up soon with a budget of 3,300 crore rupees. While appealing people to support the road concretization project, Chief Minister Biren said proper compensation will be given to those legitimate landowners whose land will be affected by the project. Chief Minister also announced the construction of a central library which will cater to the needs of both visitors from outside and also to students in the state.
Hujik Imphal Manungi Lambi Amadi Greater Imphal RCC ki concrete road tharagani sahi nimfu gi guarantee leba akhoi na masi lokha charai se kari gino haiba kanda akhoi manipur se sahi emagi manungda thatare nong tae thatare nong ta bam dadi koila se sugya yade koila se ta kai mamangi sahi ani hum dagi tanaraga lakpani concrete road hujik ADB dagi akhoi sanction tawre ayamba almost loinare crore lising hong bosong gi Masi atu matam da koi jatra holakan na thaba horgani sigi concrete road se once lakh ragadi koi sahi ni phu mukti lambi sem da bayarani sigi lambi je semak pop kanda permanent oina semak kada bani na ngalai tana je pipe ama mu phumdore na mu tokthok adagi drain chen drain na mu tokthok yada bani na drain phajana thamoragani pipe phumgada loina phumoragani cable wire telephone gi oigera ising gi oigera mai gi oigera any plan na ma yauna phumakada bani na lam khara chokthok choksin lambi khara pikthok piksin Inkol kara soktok sokin to bakanda lam sing kara skopo kopo yaw bada mayam waro bigano pata waragana madugi sapsaba phimam thoko bigani aduga pata nata badadi खास लेना कद लंबी से सेमुक कंदा किदंग मयाम की कोऑपरेशन पीबीयू हाइदनाई मसिम दंगाई मयाम न निजनिंगे